The number of points having both coordinates as integers that lie in the interior of the triangle with vertices 0, 0, 0, 31, 31. Luckily enough, 31 and 31 is a nice triangle. 0, 0 would be here. This would be 31, 0. This could be 0, 31. We want to find all points on the interior. This is a straight line, an isosceles triangle. The straight line is x plus y equal to 31. We want to find all points inside this in the first quadrant. That is effectively both x and y are positive. You could put x equal to 1. Y could go all the way till 29. X is 1. Y could go from 1, 2, 3 till 29. X plus y would still be less than 31. If it were equal to 31, it would lie on the line. That doesn't work. The points on the axis won't work. Points on the line won't work. So there are 29 points for x equal to 1, 29 points. X equal to 2, y can go up to 28, 28 points. 3, 27 points. X plus y should be less than 31. X and y both are positive. How many possibilities exist? We could go all the way till x is 30 is not possible. The moment you put x is 30, y will have to be 0. That's not possible. Then lie on this point. X is 29, in which case y will be only one possible value. And so are the number of possible values is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way till 29. That is the famous formula which we know how to do. 29 into 30 by 2. 29 into 15. 15 nines are 135, 5, 13, 34, 35. Wonderful.